been 2 weeks. We're in Mildura and we're going
to make our way to Broken Hill. On the way we're going to go through Mungo National Park, then Menindi. I think that's how you say it. I feel like it's a hard day. I'm looking forward to hitting the road, but been very comfortable here.
We've hit the snooze button here about 1,500 times in the 2 weeks. It's been super comfy. There'll be an adjustment getting back to
the tent. Alright.
Alright.
Let's do it. Bye, Jason. Yeah, it was absolute pleasure having you. There we go. I'm stuck.
All good?
Yep, all good. Thank you. See you guys. So we're about to cross into New South Wales.
Back home, baby.
Back home, alright.
Past 7,000 Ks.
How weird is that? These are watermelons. I saw them in that other national park and I thought someone had put them there, but turns out that they grow out here. Strange. I'm gonna try to smash these things. Oh, damn. Damn. Oh, okay. It's almost cracking. Oh, you mother. Oh, it worked. Is that a watermelon? Doesn't look like one, but maybe it's like the start of one. Those look like watermelon seeds.
Get a load of this. Somebody left their knickers on the line.
Oh man, just got one hell of a fright. Jason just came off his bike. He's okay, but it was a bad stack. Oh, baby! Oh, fuck! Oh, fuck! There's a truck. Oh, God. Oh my God, baby, are you sure? Oh shit, the bar is all the way in. The crash bar. Oh my gosh, take the helmet off.
There's water on that side.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I didn't get hurt. I ripped my jacket.
You're so lucky it didn't land on you. Like, you just went bouncing. Baby.
I'm okay. Man, you felt how slippery it was, eh?
Oh, I did. It was. Oh,
It's like ice.
we got to be careful on this stuff.
Oh shit.
What? Hold on.
That was like a real crash. So, water tank is busted inside. Tank is all dented here. This is bent in a bit, but it doesn't look like it's been. It hasn't actually broken through. Can't smell any petrol or anything. And this just looks dirty down here. So hopefully it'll start okay. Get rid of that water tank off the side. Luckily the one we're carrying petrol in I didn't land on, and I'll have to take off the bracket that was holding it on, because if I fell again and that pushed through, that could cause damage to the tank. So
I'll show you where where the bike went, where I went afterwards. Hang on. These are the tracks. This one here on the left, that was me. Oh, the ground is just see how soft it is. It's just like so soft. And that one on the right, that's Jason's. It's just mush.
even to walk in this stuff.
Yeah, look at that.
Slipped out here and then crashed here. The petrol's not leaking out, and the
That's good.
but the water tank is cracked in the middle part. We need to get it
your
checked.
Crash bar. We need that fixed.
Yeah.
Because that probably saved your leg.
I wonder if it's still under warranty. You reckon they cover that under warranty?
Oh,
Oh man.
Man, that was so scary. That was so scary to watch. Baby, don't do that again. Oh God. I'm cooking up.
All right.
Let's yeah, we gotta go. Let's just get there now.
Yep.
It's enough
Be extra
excitement
careful.
for today.
Yep. All right.
God.
Moving on.
Moment of truth.
I'll put the helmet on once we know it works.
Yeah. Come on, Franco. Good boy.
When he fell over, I think the fuel, it overflows or something a bit, it gets flooded, so it stalls. So you got to rev it a bit to clear it out or something, I don't know. It stalls anyway after falling over, I've heard. Not that I've fallen, not that I've dropped it that many times. Running, blowing up.
Yeah, we'll just keep an eye on it. Yeah, be careful. Really?
Huh?
Be careful.
Alright, we've made it to Made it to Mungo Campground. After an uneventful ride, I'd say. What do you reckon? Pretty uneventful ride? You can't hear me? She can never hear me when her helmet's on.
What's that? Yeah, pretty uneventful.
Uneventful ride?
Yeah, boring.
Yeah.
Really boring.
Not much happened.
But the campground.
Campground.
Anyway, the tent is all set up and Jason's just ducked down the road to get some firewood and hopefully a bottle of wine from the lodge.
I'm trying to go to Mungo Lodge and the gate said closed up ahead, but the GPS is telling me to go down this road here. Let's see where it takes us. Telling me to turn left down there, so I think Google's got it wrong. I'm going to head back. There won't be any wine, at least for now. Sorry baby.
That sounds like Jason, I think. Here he comes. Look at him. Oh, Franco.
Look at his mirror.
Oh, look at his busted up mirror. That stuffed petrol tank.
Franco had a tumble.
Yeah.
He fell down.
Franco fell down. Oh, Franco.
So that's another day wrapped up. We're in Mungo National Park. All's well that ends well, I guess. Had a bit of a bingle on the bike, but it's still running and I'm okay. At least we had the camera running. Although it wasn't in 4K, but I'm sure it's better than not having it on film. Take some of the sting out of it. So yeah, that's a wrap for the night.